Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another Trading View update. We saw a very aggressive overnight bullish rally coming back into the office this morning across the crypto space, given the strength in the traditional markets and the news there ongoing regarding Elon Musk and Twitter. We see it's highly likely that this rally was short-term driven by strength in TradFi markets. Correlation still, above 0.9. So very high correlation. Crypto really enjoying the positive news coming out of that. That said, how far further can we go? Immediately in the short term, over the course of today, we could be looking to move as high as 41,250, which is the 0.382 fib extension from that current impulsive move down. Also where the 111-day moving average is coming in and will likely act as resistance. With these sort of sudden rallies, I would just be somewhat cautious. If we do hit this level and start to reverse, then we do continue to see over the course of the week that overall bearish trend continue to the downside. First real target that we're looking at is the 1.618 fib extension from the current impulsive move down. That's at 36,000. We'll likely encounter some support in and around 37.5 and even 37. But the desk view doesn't really change until we either reach this 36,000 level or we indeed move higher and break the downward trending more macro resistance line that's been in place since November of last year. I would say at this point, just do keep an eye on some of the other momentum indicators. Daily RSI creeping higher above the weekly, suggesting potential short-term shift in momentum. Daily MACD also now likely 24 hours or 24 to 48 hours away from flashing a buy signal. Expect volatility over the next 24 to 48 hours for sure, and they will be crucial in terms of where we actually then, if we look to move higher and break this trend, or if indeed this more macro downward trend that's been in place since the beginning of April will continue. On the Ethereum side, Ethereum also recovered nicely. Here again, we can see we've still got room for more downside. Desk's kind of initial targets for June are at around 2,600. We have seen Bitcoin dominance increase up towards 42%. This is suggesting that investors are actually rotating from the altcoin space back into Bitcoin. That said, we are in this trading range. We have been in this kind of channel between 42 and 41.3 for the whole of April now as well. So just range bound trading. If this continues and we start to move lower, then we might actually begin to see altcoins outperforming again, which would mean that Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, given either outperforms the upside or at least performs less worse to the downside. When we look at the volume profile visible ranges, again, pretty clear to see here the resistance that we're encountering will start to change the desk view if we do break above 3,100, where we have just struggled to break through over the last few weeks. If we continue to move lower, 2,600, this area here of recent very active trading activity is our target. That's it from us today. Have a good trading day.